What's poppin', Grwm fam? It's your girl Kutsaka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Grwm. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome, and if you're new to my channel, please do me a big favor and hit the subscribe button to join the Grwm fam. So guys, we are done. We're officially done with first year. Not officially, I wrote my last paper on Tuesday and I'm so happy. Now it's Friday and I'm leaving tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm already packing up and getting ready to go home. But this video is not about that. In today's video, it's basically like what YouTube girlies call a maintenance vlog. I still haven't read my idea on what to call this vlog, but then come out with me for a relaxing day. So, you know, we're outside, mini face beat, looking cute. So the plan for today is basically to get my nails done, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm a bit late. I'm a little late, and then after that I'm gonna go to the spa so to have a relaxing day, and then I'm gonna come back. I made myself dinner, so I'm gonna like have a mini picnic, you know, with myself. And like guys, it's not lonely when you do things by yourself, solo dates, solo trips and stuff, because we all just trying to have fun. So right now I'm about to I'm getting close to my appointment because she's on campus and stuff, but then like stay tuned for the vlog and like yeah, enjoy. So I did get my nails done. This is how they look. They don't look that bad. And I'm running to the spa now. I thought I was gonna bulk, but bulk prices are like crazy. So I decided that it's better for me to walk. It's like a 20-minute walk, and yes, I'm using Google Maps, and it's a very long road, very much straight ahead. So I'm just quickly gonna rush today because I'm basically missing my appointment by an hour. I booked at 12. Now it's like 12:45, and I'm like tears because like it means I'm gonna get there at like 1, bruv. So that cuts my appointment exactly in half, and they said like they can't add on. So for me it's just as long as I got my massage, then I'm cool, because I got a massage, a facial and a pedicure. So yeah guys, so I got to the spa on time. Not on time, I'm an hour late. So they have to cancel one of my treatments. They canceled 2 of my treatments. I paid for 3 guys, 225. It's my fault, understandably. I paid 225 for a facial, a massage and a full pedicure.
Is on the right.
And and now she says that she can't give me 2 of the other things, so I have to talk to the receptionist. But the receptionist said they're booked back to back, so I can only get a very long massage and stuff. Yeah guys, so I managed to get a massage, which was like decent, but then I'm still upset because of the amount of money I spent just to get a massage. But I absolutely get it, you know. But it was fun. It was actually nice. It was so relaxing. Walk with me. I'm not going back to campus right now. I'm going to the mall because I'm full of wise ideas today. So I've decided that I've decided that I'm gonna walk to the mall. It's like a 30-minute walk. So if you're watching this vlog, like, you're just seeing me making decisions and shit. A part of me is like, can I please not get robbed? you know, because I still love my life. But another part of me is like, nah, I won't have it in Poch. But I know a couple of people who've been robbed so far here. Okay guys, so here I was walking around admiring how my nails looked like in the sun, and they were looking good. And I was also admiring the neighborhood, you know, like Poch is a very small place, you know, with the university as its main center of attraction. And just walking around and realizing that, hey guys, there are also a lot of guest houses, lodges, spas, places to go and see, but all of those are hard to find, or they're hard to discover if you just don't have a ride or you don't have a way to go around. I mean, look at this. This looks beautiful and just peaceful. I don't know if I'm just over exaggerating and this is just the outskirts of CBD, but a lot of appreciation goes on when you realize that the simple things in life are beautiful, the simple things in life are worth it, and the simple things in life are just meant to be appreciated. Then you're gonna have a lot of fun, you know. I feel like this place is like the beginning of something great for me, and even though it's proven to be a challenge, especially to navigate around, because what do you mean I'm walking for an hour to like straight to the mall, you know? But everything just seems so interesting, so fun, and I really hope that in my 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or however long it takes for me to actually get my qualification, I just hope that I am able to enjoy this place for the least, even though academic stress is a thing. I mean, guys, look at how after jumping this hobart, like, okay, 2 of those, I'll basically like be at the mall, or like, honestly. And while I was walking, I also thought of fetching my order, because I ordered something from online from Cosmetic Connection, so it was like a chance for me to somewhere go get things. While admiring my shadow, I realized my shadow is beautiful, and so am I. Hey, so I arrived at McDonald's. I decided to go eat out at McDonald's, and like I went to the mall, and basically they told me that they didn't have my order, and now I was stressing because I have to leave the next day, and they said they'll deliver it to my place. But yeah, quick stuff in a hurry. Now I'm here, time for me to eat because I'm hungry, you know, and stuff. So I'm really grateful if you've reached this part of the vlog, and really thankful that you're even watching, because some of these things are really even hard to do, even getting the confidence to do them, but I appreciate it. McDonald's app is my fighter, guys. McDonald's app is my fighter. So apparently in Northwest, the 10 rand burgers are not 10 rand anymore. They're 14 rand. And I thought they could scam me. So I noticed on my McDonald's app, guys, you should have this app if you're a student and you're trying to survive. I noticed on my McDonald's app that if I redeem regular fries, I get a free Coke. So I got free fries and a free Coke, and then I just ordered 2 not no longer 10 rand, 2 14 rand burgers. So basically I have 2 burgers, free chips, and a free Coke, and I only paid 28 rand, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show my and I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let us focus. Okay, it's not too visible, it's too shy. Okay, this is the darker pink. I'm not sure if I was supposed to give the lady a hotel or what, but then like, yeah, this was it, guys. And you might be looking at this vlog and being like, no, hey, guys, I'm telling you guys, I just like, yeah, be grateful for these types of like situations, you know, because why not? So now I'm just waiting for my food, and then I'm gonna eat here at McDonald's and chill and wait for the sun to cool down because it's very fucking hot outside. And then I'm gonna go back to varsity. Since I walked here, I'm walking close to an hour back to varsity, back to Rez, because of my bad choices. But it was worth it, guys. I haven't had McDonald's in the like the entire year I've never had McDonald's, and I'm glad I'm having it now. So this, guys, is actually like a very nice day, and it's gonna be a very short vlog and stuff. But then like if you've made it this far, thank you. Yeah guys, so food just arrived, and these burgers are small. Now I understand why people order 10 of these. Because what do you mean? I ordered 2 of these. Now I understand why these things are like they order a lot. But then apparently, according to McDonald's, because they're trying to save plastic or whatever, my drink didn't come with a cap or with a straw because they're trying to save the environment. I'm like, child. But then like yeah. So I'm gonna chill here and eat. I think I'm gonna chill here for an hour and just eat, or even watch a movie. I want to watch a movie at McDonald's even, guys, but I don't have enough data for that. I just switched to that Wi-Fi, and like I'm just gonna chill, guys, because it's a me day. It's a me day. It's a me day. This burger is small. It's very, very small. You know, let's see how many bites I can finish this with. Because guys, it's so random. I thought about it, like how many bites will it take to finish this? So I'm just gonna wipe the lipstick and get that the lips. This is my day. And so far it's not bad. I have to get back home and wash dishes. When I'm in home, I'm in res and wash dishes. I'm like the only one who refers to res as home because it's practically a home for the year and stuff. I'm the only one. Nail things. Hi guys, so I am back on campus, and yeah, I had an extraordinary day. It's just that the weather is looking like dust, you know. The weather is looking like dust, and like yeah, that basically concludes the vlog for the day. Oh, I'm fucking tired, guys. I'm so tired. I think I've reached 10,000 steps. Yeah, more than 10,000, because like I walked to my appointments, and like yeah, basically it was a beautiful day, and I'm chilled and relaxed. So like yeah, guys, that concludes like whatever vlog I was having today. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.